My next topic is Samayukta Hasta Mudra. Anjalishya Kapotasya Karkataha Swastigastata Dolahasya Pushpaputaha Utsanga Shivalingakaha Dolahasya Pushpaputaha Utsanga Shivalingakaha Katakavardanaschaiva Kartari Swastigastata Katakavardanaschaiva Kartari Swastigastata Shakatam Shank Chakrecha Samputaha Pasha Kilakau Matsyaka Kurma Varaha Garuda Nagabandakaha Khatva Berundakahasya Avahitam. Thank you.